While many people have been focusing on Bitcoin over the last few weeks and the rally we have seen in Bitcoin dominance, I wanted to do a video to talk specifically about what's been going on with Cardano, both the good and the bad, and also address a few things with Solana and Polygon, because Cardano over the last few days has seen a massive rally. It's up 10% almost in a single day, and we've seen a lot of good news and also a lot of bad news. So let's talk about the bad news first. Bad news is that recently we saw Robinhood delist Cardano, Solana, and Polygon. I talked about this at the beginning of the month of June on Twitter, so if you don't follow me there, make sure to do so. But we talked about how Robinhood was going to be delisting all three of these coins on June 27th. So now it is official. Robinhood has officially delisted it. If you go to Robinhood, you try to trade Cardano, Solana, or Polygon, they still appear on the app, but they just say that they're not tradable anymore. You can still look at it for market analytics and look at it for the charts, but you cannot go ahead and trade it. So if you did own Cardano, Solana, or Polygon on June 27th on Robinhood and you haven't checked your portfolio already, they just went ahead, sold it off, and now it's in cash. In addition to this, we also saw Revolut recently announced they're going to be delisting Cardano, Polygon, and Solana as well in the US market. They announced this on June 28th in an email sent to US-based users. All this has to do with the lawsuits going on between the SEC and Coinbase and a few issues that the SEC has with crypto. So that's been most of the bad news. But this has been factored in now to the market because we have known this has been going on for quite a while. We knew that Robinhood was going to delist it. We knew that many other exchanges and companies were going to be delisting these three coins in particular as well, because of the issues with the US government. So now let's switch gears a bit and talk about our long-term channel partner, QMALL. For those who haven't seen our previous videos, QMALL is a legal and EU licensed Ukrainian crypto exchange that is available via its mobile app and its desktop version. It offers a range of different services from leverage crypto trading to spot crypto trading to P2P services to an NFT marketplace and many more things. They even let you buy crypto directly with cash, which is super simple and super convenient. Now, for all of you guys who haven't registered just yet, haven't tried out the platform, they are running a very special promotion for any users who register before July 10th, and that is that any users who register before July 10th are going to be able to take advantage of 0% commission on trading. So this is huge. If you are a consistent trader, as you know, on all the other crypto exchanges, these fees add up to hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. So QMALL is always creating new partnerships, always expanding their capabilities. And if you use the link in the description, you can take advantage of the limited time 0% commission when you register as a new QMALL user before July 10th. Anyways, let's get back to the program. That brings us to one other thing that has happened in terms of technical analysis. So someone on Twitter named Benjamin Cowen, he also does YouTube videos. He said exactly 4 years ago, ADA to BTC was at 900 sats, the same as today. He said approximately 5 to 6 weeks later, it was at 400 sats. So he's ultimately predicting and talked about how he continues to expect Bitcoin dominance to increase and altcoins to fall further, continue to drop lower in price. And so not only have we seen a few things of bad news come out, but some people are still predicting that altcoins are going to continue to drop, continue to fall. But when you're looking at this chart right here, you can see that there is, in his chart exactly, a very strong support with this white line right here showing, that support has consistently trended upward over the last few years for ADA to BTC. So he's predicting we're going to break below this support and go down to the yellow line. But most people would actually say that, look, we've consistently bounced off of this white line, this support over the last few years. We shouldn't really break below it. And if you look at what's happened, we did touch it and have a bit of a bounce. And now we're already starting to see it rally again. So that's like the FUD, the bad news, things that people are talking about in the news to get you scared about Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. But when we're looking at Cardano in particular, there's been a few major pieces of announcement that are really good. First of which is that we did see that Vodafone confirmed rumors of Cardano NFT plans. This is a huge deal because Vodafone Germany, a major telecom company, announced plans to launch a series of Cardano-based NFTs, and they confirmed this news just the other day. They said, yes, we are planning to release an NFT collection this year, and we want to utilize the Cardano chain for this. They said that Vodafone Germany chose the Cardano blockchain due to its community, sustainability, and cross-chain possibilities. And they said they don't know exactly what the utility will be behind these NFTs just yet, but they said that the first 1,000 members of their Discord community will receive rewards, and they have big plans for this NFT collection. It's still in its early stages. They don't want to announce anything just yet, but they are using it, going to build it on the Cardano blockchain, and they're continuing to develop and see what utility they'll make for that. In addition to this, Vodafone Germany said that it is specifically for this branch of the company. They're not using it for other branches at first, but they're exploring ways to include international community members as well. And this is a massive deal because Vodafone is the world's 9th largest telecom company. They brought in over $50 billion in revenue over the last few years. Each year, they brought in over $50 billion of revenue. And this is something that is extremely exciting for Cardano community because while we don't know the exact extent of the integration, we do know that Vodafone Germany has chose Cardano blockchain to launch their NFT collection. In addition to this, there's also been a lot of talk about Cardano not really seeing a lot of growth. We've seen it, fall a little bit in price up until the last few days, and people were spreading FUD about it. But when you're looking at the data shows the exact opposite. And Charles Hoskinson talks about this on Twitter. He said there's been a lot of noise in crypto. Look for the signal. Cardano is getting real adoption and growing as an ecosystem under the harshest conditions our industry knows. And he says, when you look at it, people are saying Cardano isn't growing. Altcoins aren't really growing right now. But when you look at the TVL growth over the last 6 months, Cardano has seen a 148% increase in TVL versus Ethereum, which is down 25%, BSC, which is down 29%, Avalanche, which is down 12%. The only ones that have seen any sort of growth in TVL comparable, I guess you could say, are Polygon and Solana, which are up 21% and 52% respectively. But either way, Cardano has seen significantly more growth in its TVL than all the other layer 1 blockchains out there. It's not even close. And this is something that makes me more bullish on Cardano in addition to just this partnership with Vodafone. And last thing I want to go over is going to be with their development updates. So every single week they release a development update as to what's going on with the Cardano blockchain. And we can see as of their most recent development report, right now, Cardano has seen a total of over 76,000 token policies, over 1,250 projects being built on the blockchain, 130 projects have launched, and they're continuing to get close to that 70 million number of transactions. So they're continuing to see growth week after week in terms of the ecosystem, month over month in terms of TVL, and we're continuing to see new partnerships. So while there is some bad news and there has been FUD being spread, you need to look at the data, you need to look at what's going on, and this is why I am extremely bullish on Cardano. I'm also very bullish on Polygon as well. Solana, it's not my favorite, but still you have to look at all the data coming out, and when you do, you see that even though people don't like Solana, it still is growing in terms of TVL. Yes, it's down significantly from all-time highs, but we are seeing Polygon, Solana, and Cardano be the 3 projects that are seeing growth in terms of TVL when many other projects are not.